Makanan, ayo maju.
Dikit lagi gua pingsan.
Yaudah.
Never have I ever thought my first hike would be in Spain, and not in the country where I came from. Well, as some of you might know, Indonesia is absolutely not pedestrian friendly. Like at all. Wait, did I get bleeped? I didn't say anything. I didn't say Anyway, right now I'm going to take you on a full hiking in Los Cajorros, a popular hiking area near the town of Monachil in the Sierra Nevada mountains in Granada, Spain. So, let's hit the trail, shall we?
Itu cepetan. Nggak sih?
Nggak, bagusnya pelan-pelan biar nikmatin.
Dik, lihat dulu.
In Alice Wonderland.
This is how Carlos and Arsi survive.
Yes, you're in the world.
We want to go to Grandma's house, but we don't know how to, so we ask Grandpa. And we don't know where we go.
Safe.
Ayo, kemana lewat sini?
Si. Hola.
Sangat amat menakutkan. Ya. Ini gue yang sendiri, Po.
Awas HP.
Iya, bismillah.
HP lu?
Lagi videoin gue.
Takut HP lu jatuh subasi.
Gue juga takut.
Vamos!
Gak mau.
Kita naik ke kelas. Yang diteriakin Mamos bukan kita.
Alhamdulillah bukan kita.
Iya makanya. Bisa tapi.
Vamos.
Mari stay bentar.
Sih.
Ini kalau di dulu udah ada
Ya sih udah hidup.
kemarin belakang ya?
3, 2, 1.
Udah video.
Oh, udah.
Turut. Darah. Tuh. Aisyah. Nari itu. Itu Albert tahu bisa minum. Iya, lu bisa mandi juga.
Lu serius gak?
Enggak, cuy.
Kalau bisa diminum. Para mí, todos secure.
Itu lagi ngadep sini kan?
Rekam gua juga. Ini gua udah juara 2 nih.
Para mí, parara.
30 detik matiin.
Itu ya, para mí, parara. Apa sih anjing?
Paramex. Itu conmigo juga. Oke. Vale.
Por aquí.
Mejor español o mejor inglés? Espera. 4. Pero otro.
Hola. Hola.
Hai.
Oh my god. Wah, ini bakal berapa giga ya? Itu apaan?
asin.
Dari mana lu tahu?
Iya.
Lain.
Tanya semua.
Montanismo. Hai.
Hai.
Ini persiapan ini. Persiapan ke Sierra Nevada.
Coba lagi ya, say.
Ya.
Ingetin gue, tanyain ke kamar ini. Gimana penghulu?
Udah lu ingetinnya jangan pas kayak begini anjir.
Itu harum tahu harum.
Ih lu.
Enggak ada.
Apa lu nyium manu ini? Lu percaya mulu sama dia. Besar gak sih lu?
Berkali-kali. Lu kesekian kali, Masya Allah.
Kita ambil dari yuk.
Ini di mana? Ini di mana? Where am I right now?
Hari ini ya.
Ini nasinya. Ya Allah, Masya Allah banget ya Allah.
As someone who watches YouTube, you've probably guessed why I muted this part.
Ya udah, ayo maju.
Aduh, mau lapar lagi.
Ini gua masih ada makanan ini.
Gue gak berani makan soalnya malah tambah haus sih.
Barter.
Dikit lagi gue pingsan.
Rio, bentar lagi gak? Jangan dusta.
Sekarang tinggal 5 menit doang.
Siapa sih yang percaya Rio?
Patungan beli sepeda yuk. Bagus banget tuh, lihat. Sing Walayar.
You know, I do regret for singing the whole chorus at that time. I do regret it now.
Oh my god. Lihat ini semua. Terus capek. Oh my god, lihat itu apaan? Ya ke depan. Oh my god, bagus banget ya. Kok gue bisa ada di sini?
Para ir en autobús.
Kenapa, ha? Iya. Gue di mana? Aku di sini. Yeah. The only word that came out from my mouth is pretty.
Well, you're right.
Yeah. There's nothing else to say.
Belum.
Gue kerasa ringan ya.
Expecto Patronum.
Kukutuk kau jadi malin kundang.
Famosa. Jangan lari gila. Entar ada.
Enggak, gua sengaja ngelakuin sesuatu. Mau saja.
Cuidado.
Bailar.
¿Tú bailar conmigo? Bailar.
I have bad balance.
How do you say I'm used to? Suelo.
Itu jembatan tadi tahu?
Mana? Nggak kelihatan.
Itu warna merah anjing.
Oh ya.
It was a marvelous first time experience for me because I've been wanting to go hiking for my whole life, like doing easy trails, medium, or even hard ones. But somehow the timing was never right for me. Also, it's just not that easy to find an easy hiking place from where I came from. Plus, Indonesia is sometimes referred to as one of the laziest countries for walking, according to some studies about pedestrian habits. One fun fact that's not really fun, I took some Kurgan grass with me. That is something I absolutely couldn't do in Indonesia because of sacred beliefs related to mountains, beaches, and especially spiritual or cultural places. That's actually the main reason why my mom never let me try this kind of activity before there in Indonesia. Some say we won't make our way back home until we return what we took. I personally don't buy into it, but because it's a sacred thing, so I have to respect and save my ass in case it's true. Hope you enjoyed hiking with me despite all my faults that still need improvement. And now, before I go, let me know in the comments what's your funniest hiking fail, and do you have any tips for a newbie like me? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.